Hi guys, today we will polish the headlight and for this we use sandpaper for 200. The outer layer of such glasses is scratched, beamed, covered with a layer ingrained road dirt. Under the influence of periodic heating from lighting lamp and road condition contribute constant attach of fine gravel don't remain and nothing on the surface of the headlight. The straw part of such glasses is noticeably reduced, and the appearance leaves much to be desired. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Over time, any headlight fade, even with a real glass, but plastic ones age many times faster. There are many reasons for this, and the main one is our ability to handle them correctly. Any headlight from the road gets abrasives, sand and pebbles, which turn to the glass surface into the lunar landscape on land microscope form. We can place the pictures, often whipping the glass with a dry cloth, that is, increasing the abrasive effect of road dirt. Damage the plastic glass of the headlight and the wrong choice of fluid of the headlight cleaning system. Insufficient purified alcohol from non-freezing contributes to the appearance of microcracks and the transparency of the glass deteriorates. The trouble is not only and not so much in appearance, but in the fact that microcracks and cracks on the glass lead to a large scattering of light, to the fact that the light goes to the road, not from reflector, responsible from the formation of the beam, but from the glass itself, unevenly in all directions. Such a headlight does not illuminate the road, but it's greatly dazzling oncoming traffic. It's no longer possible to undergo a technical inspection with such lighting device. And now, friends, after they have completely wrapped the headlight, you will need a polish that will bring our headlight to shine. Friends, here also has the speed of healing the circle. I always choose the first speed, and then the second. This first enough, and secondly, you can easily damage the headlight cover. The inner surface of the headlamp glass cannot be polished. First, because scars and cracks don't form there. Secondly, to work with the inner surface of the headlamp, the glass will have to be removed, and this is a very laborious operation. That's done in extreme case. The inside of the glass can be dirt if the headlamp has lost its tightness, but this is extremely rare. Of course, it's better to remove the headlight to cleanse the inside. A small magnet object wrapped in a tissue, such a knot, will help with cleaning. By moving the knot along the inner surface of the glass with a small magnet, dust and small dirt can be removed from the glass, which will significantly improve the light performance. Friends, on the channel, I have a video on disassembling and cleaning the headlight from the inside. There I disassemble the headlamp, lens, and with the help of detergent completely cleanse the inside of the headlight. This greatly improves the appearance and cleanliness of the headlamp, which affects its appearance and light transmission on the road. You can go and watch the video. A plastic headlight during operation may not receive a single chip, as is the case with glass, but a dense layer of dirt may appear from it. Stones leave numerous, small and deep scratches on the polycarbonate. Therefore, the processing of plastic headlight requires more attention. There is also a plus. Such a material is malleable enough so that you can successfully polish plastic headlight with your own hand at home. Tooth pasta. There are no special recommendations for choosing a pasta for polishing headlight, since the abrasiveness of this product is designed for tooth enamel, but not for plastic and glass. Tiny white particles can slightly improve the visual performance of headlamp, but you shouldn't expect much from tooth pasta and tooth powder. A set of sandpaper of different abrasiveness will help to eliminate scratches, to bring the surface of the headlight to a shine. Graduation of abrasiveness 600, 1200, 1500, 2000, and 2500. You should start with coarse grinding. To speed up the process, you can use abrasive wheels, but watch the temperature of the surface of the headlamp. Heating is unacceptable. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.